Hi, my name is Raluca Ursica. I'm originally from Romania, but now I work and live in the United Kingdom, in London. I am a counselling psychologist and I'm a positive psychotherapist. I am a master trainer for positive psychotherapy. I managed to open a center in London, the London Center for Positive Psychotherapy, where I am the director now. And I'm also a member of the executive board of the World Association for Positive Psychotherapy. So somehow the clients that I started to see in my practice were people struggling with PTSD, complex PTSD, so I specialized in trauma therapy. And another passion of mine is couples therapy, so I also see couples in my private practice. So positive psychotherapy is a resource-oriented kind of type of therapy. It's a humanistic type of therapy, which means that we sit with the clients and together we look at what's going on and why are things the way they are. And it's a psychodynamic method, which means that we go to the past to understand, you know, what has happened, what we've learned, what are the patterns that we keep repeating and we should change, or at least understand if we don't want to change them. So this is something that I feel, you know, helps clients. Also, positive psychotherapy is a structured method or semi-structured method. In every step of the therapeutic intervention, you know where you are now in the five steps of positive psychotherapy. So you're either in observation distancing, in inventory, in situational encouragement, verbalization, or expansion of goals. You always know where you are with your clients, and that's really helpful because that's rare in psychodynamic therapies. You know, this semi-structured way of working with clients. So I feel that this helps me, you know, when I work with couples or with individual patients or clients. Oh, it's so exciting to see, you know, people who want to learn about the method. Some of them already know about positive psychotherapy. Some of them just find out, and it's so exciting to see them after the first module. The insights they have, the connections they create in the training. Every exercise that we do, every tool that we use or we teach them, we first use them on ourselves. And this creates relationships between the members of the group, and it kind of creates this big family which will be together for the next 3-4 years. And it's exciting to see that, you know, how people develop and how people become positive psychotherapists and fall in love with this method.